Hello viewers out there, welcome to my new video series Docker Basics Deploying Your Containerized Application to the Cloud. In this course, we are going to cover the basic fundamentals on deploying your application to a Docker container. We will create a simple HelloWorld application, package it, and deploy the application to a Docker container. What's even more interesting is that we're going to deploy the application on Google Cloud Virtual Machine. This course will not cover how to set up Google Cloud and creating a virtual machine on Google Cloud. The course assumes that you already have a virtual machine set up on Google Cloud. The programming language we are going to use here is C#, and our application is a .NET Core application. Before we start coding, download Visual Studio Code if you haven't already. If you don't have Visual Studio, simply open your browser and type Visual Studio, and you should be able to download and install the software from the official VS Code website. Let me demonstrate you how to download Visual Studio Code from the official website. So you go to your favorite browser and you just type Visual Studio Code, and you should be able to download Visual Studio Code from here. The application that we're going to build is a simple application that displays Hello World. Since we are using a Linux virtual machine on the cloud, we will be using .NET Core. Before we start building the application, let me explain what a Docker container is. So a Docker container is a self-contained virtual machine where you can deploy and run the application. A Dockerfile helps us to create the image and containerize the application. If you didn't understand what the Dockerfile does, it's fine. You will understand once we start creating the application and start creating the Dockerfile. In the next video, we will start building the application.